guess it's broke again. If we had that and that together, I'm going to take a guess and say we've got a blown indicator bulb, and it quite possibly might be on the front right hand corner of the car. So let's go investigate. Now we're in here. This is the offending bulb. Don't mind the light, it's a bit fucking knackered, this whole thing. If you look down here, I believe you've got to take that screw out and the indicator will come out. It just kind of like pops in place. On the, I think a pre-facelift model has a little prong you have to hold down with a screwdriver and then, you know, pull it out. So anyway, let's get that screw out. It pushes it out of where it's held there. So anyway, let's get to changing the bulb. Turn this thing to the right. Might be a bit stiff, so just be a bit more careful with that. If you don't want to scratch the front of your light, you know, put something down like a microfiber when you're working on it. Before you go and screw it back in, just plug it in and make sure it works, obviously. Save yourself some time. These are 581 bulbs. I just got cheap shitty Halfords ones that'll probably blow next week. You know, you can get all fancy LEDs and stuff, but I needed this now, so it'll have to do.